Isang mapagpalayang araw po. Nandito naman po tayo sa ating channel, Lakdan MD. Subalit bago po ang lahat, shoutout po kay Daniel Madrilejos ng Dominicos Security Agency at naka-assign dyan sa South Supermarket Detachment. Hindi na po niya nabanggit kung saang South Supermarket po ito. Shoutout din kay Detachment Commander Danilo Makidato ng Bulldog Security Agency Incorporated. So, pinapa-shoutout ka ni SG Joshua Brezo. No? At shoutout din sa naging officer in charge natin, no? Jose Marie Francisco Sabilio, isang dating kasamahan. So, shoutout sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood. Sana ma-share mo ito sa iyong mga subordinates, no? Shoutout din kay Tony Hernaez ng Gregory Security Agency. Mr. Tony Hernaez, also known as Butchok sa TikTok. No? Shoutout sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsubaybay. Shoutout din kay SG Emilio Garcia. No? May kapangalan pang artista po ito. Ng Taipan Security Services Incorporated. Diyan po sa may Quezon City. At shoutout din sa dating naging gwardiya po natin sa CMP Federal noong araw, OIC Adrian Elefante ng Primark Catbalogan. At shoutout din sa iyong mga kasama dyan sa Catbalogan, Samar, no? SG Francisco Junicio, SG Rusty Licar Dormiendo, SG Marvin Progelia, SG Michael Francisco, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Sky City Catbalogan at Primark Catbalogan. No, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsubaybay. Sana po ay ma-share po natin ang mga tinatalakay po natin dito sa ating channel. Ang tatalakayin ko po ngayon ay base po sa pakiusap ni Eugene Mendoza. No? Ang sabi niya, Sir, patapik naman po regarding sa Comelec gun ban, sino po yung mga exempted? Okay po. So, magandang tanong po yan at napapanahon po ito. Tayo po ay nagpapaalala din sa mga security provider, mga security agency. Base po sa Comelec Resolution Number 11067, ang gun ban po ay nagsimula na noong January 12, 2025 at matatapos po ng June 11, 2025. So ito po ay itong video pong ito ay paalala lamang po sa ating mga kapatid at kasama sa hanap buhay, no? So reminder lamang po ito at base po ron sa tanong pakiusap ni Eugene Mendoza, no? So ito po ay nakasaad, no, kung sino po ba yung mga exempted, no, sa gun ban. Okay. Ito po ay nakapaloob sa Rule 7 Section 14 ng Comelec Resolution Number 11067. So ito pong Comelec Resolution Number 11067, ang title po nito ay Consolidated Resolution on the Rules and Regulations on the Prohibitions on the Bearing, Carrying, or Transporting of Firearms and Other Deadly Weapons. Okay? So, ito pong resolution na ito, isinasaad nito, no, dinidiscuss po rito, ano po yung mga magiging proseso, kahinatnan, yung mga guidelines, mga gabay, no? During the election process. Na kung saan yung election process or election period, base po sa resolution na ito po ay nagsisimula mula January 12, 2025 hanggang June 11, 2025. Okay po, so maliwanag po yan, no? Ngayon, yung mga exempted po, kung sino-sino po yung mga exempted sa gun ban, okay? So ito po ay nakasaad sa Rule 7 ng Comelec Resolution Number 11067. Base po rito, Rule 7, full exemption granted to certain government officials and personnel. Yan po yung title ng Rule 7. Nakasaad po nito sa Section 14, full exemption. So, the CBFSC, ano po ba yung CBFSC? Yan po yung Committee on the Ban on Firearms and Security Concerns, no? Committee on the Ban of Firearms and Security Concerns. Yan po yung CBFSC. So, Section 14, full exemption. The CBFSC grants full exemption from the prohibition on the wearing or carrying of firearms to the following government officials and personnel. So, nakasaad po dito yan sa Section 14. So, babasahin po natin kung sino-sino po yung exemption o yung exempted. Okay? So, sabi po rito, President of the Republic of the Philippines. So, ang ating pong presidente, no? Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, of course, ang ating pangalawang Pangulo, Senate President and Senators of the Republic of the Philippines. Letter D, Speaker and members of the House of Representatives. So, yung ating mga congressman at senador, no? Mga senador at congressman. So, magkasunod po sila, C and D, no? Letter E, Chief Justice and Associate Justices of the Supreme Court, no? Yung ating mga tawag niyan, mga hukom. Okay? Cabinet Secretaries, Undersecretaries, Assistant Secretaries, and other officials in the executive branch with equivalent rank as provided by the Office of the President. Okay? So, yan po, no? Yung mga secretary level, no? Yan po yung mga ano. Letter G, Justices of the Court of Appeals, the Sandigan Bayan, and the Court of Tax Appeals. Okay? Judges of the Regional Trial Courts and Municipal, Metropolitan, Circuit Trial Courts, and Sharia High District Circuit Courts. Okay? So yung mga judge po, mga hukom, no? So, chairperson and members of the Judicial and Bar Council. So, kasama po sila sa exempted. Chairperson, commissioners, executive director, deputy executive directors, no? Directors and lawyers employed by and holding office in the main office of the commission, no? Chiefs of staff of the offices of the chairman and commissioners, regional election directors, assistant regional election directors, provincial election supervisors, regional election attorneys, election officers, acting election officers, and organic security officers of the Commission on Elections. Okay? So, yan po, no? Letter K, chairpersons and commissioners of the Civil Service Commission, Commission on Audit, and the Commission on Human Rights. No? Kasama po sila sa exempted. Letter L, of course, AFP, Chief of Staff, and Senior Officers. No? So, kasama po sila. Letter M, PNP Chief and Senior Officers, of course. No? Letter N, PCG Commandant and Senior Officers. No? The Philippine Coast Guard. No? Commandant and Senior Officers. BFP, Chief Director and Senior Officers. Yung Bureau of Fire Protection. No? Ombudsman, Deputy Ombudsman, Ombudsman, Deputy Ombudsman, no? Marami sila, and prosecutors of the Ombudsman. So, kasama yan. Sergeant at Arms and Assistant Sergeant at Arms of the Senate and House of Representatives. So, kasama po sa mga exempted. Sheriffs in all courts and quasi-judicial bodies. Okay? Solicitor General, Assistant Solicitor General, State Solicitors, and Associate Solicitors of the Office of the Solicitor General. Okay? Prosecutor General, Chief State Prosecutor, State Prosecutors, and Prosecutors of the Department of Justice mentioned under RA 10071 of the National Prosecution Service. No, mayroong particular na batas po dyan. No? Yan po ay an act strengthening and rationalizing the National Prosecution Service. No? Yan po yung batas dyan. No? So, Chief Public Attorney, Deputy Chief Attorneys, Regional Public Attorneys, okay? Assistant Regional Public Attorneys, Provincial Public Attorneys, City Public Attorneys, Municipal Public Attorneys, and all Public Attorneys of the Public Attorney's Office whose counterparts at the NAPROS, yung National Prosecution Service, no, have been granted with full exemption. Okay? So, Commissioner and Deputy Commissioners of the Bureau of Immigration, Director General, Deputy Director Generals, Assistant Director Generals, and Directors of the NICA. So, yung NICA, yung ating National Intelligence, no? Director of the National Bureau of Investigation, and Provincial, City, and Municipal Treasurers. Okay? So, yan po yung mga exempted, no? Sa tawag niyan, sa gun ban. Okay? So, yan po ay alinsunod sa Section 14 ng COMELEC Resolution Order number 11067. Okay. So, doon po sa mga security agency. Okay? So, sa susunod na video po, papaliwanag po natin, exempted ba yung mga security guard, no? So, yan po yung tatalakayin na sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat po. Stay safe, be alert, and be aware.